You say tomato, I say tomato, you say Peltophorum, I say Peltophorum. And with a name like that, you know it's going to be something special. Hi, I'm Damion Ramsay and welcome to 9 Peltophorum Street here in Koongal. Now this is an excellent example of a 1940s gabled home with a little bit of something for everyone. Whether it's the possibility of expanding to dual living or even subdividing the block and building a second home. Come with me now and let's take a look. Thanks for coming along and checking out 9 Peltophorum Street here in Koongal. If you want to find out a little bit more about this property, reach out to myself, Damion, or Jess.